Hello, my name is Twyla Portis and welcome to the TLC experience. I am so excited that you decided to take the journey with us. Ladies and gentlemen, at age 50, I can tell you that I have never felt better. It has everything to do with the amazing products that we offer here at Total Life Changes. You're gonna have an opportunity to hear all about them. Through product knowledge, you're gonna hear about the lifestyle, you're gonna hear about what we have in the products, the content, everything that you need to know to have an amazing result. Guys, you're gonna hear it from some of our amazing leaders and business partners. So I want you to take the journey with us. I believe that you're gonna have an incredible experience. And so again, welcome, and I'm gonna tell you congratulations in advance.
Everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Candace Bird Davis, and I am super fired up and excited to know that you are taking your weight loss serious by looking at what we call our Get Fit Kit. We have 3 power-packed products that are going to help you get phenomenal results. In our Get Fit Kit, we start off with our product called the Iaso Tea. This is our all-natural organic detox tea that's gonna cleanse your colon, liver, intestines, and other organs. It's gonna flush the parasitic toxins out of your body and in turn, help you to lose 5 pounds in 5 days. In this kit, we also have a power-packed product, something called NRG. How many times do we decide to start trying to lose weight? And one of the #1 things that we notice is we lack energy. Well, this all-natural organic energy supplement is going to do 5 amazing things for you. It's gonna give you that all-natural energy, so you're not gonna have any heart palpitations, you're not gonna have any sugar crashes. 1 pill is gonna allow you to burn up to 300 calories a day at a resting state. That's code for you can sit at your desk at work all day and still burn 300 calories. Another amazing product in it is something called 5-HTP, mental clarity and absolute focus. So ladies and gentlemen, not only is it gonna curb your appetite, it's gonna kill your cravings, it's also gonna burn that extra 300 calories per day. Then rounding off this power-packed kit is our phenomenal liquid vitamin called Nutraburst. How many times have you went to a big box vitamin retailer and just did not know what vitamin you needed? As you're detoxing the body, you're flushing some of the bad out, but this amazing product right here is going to put the good back in. What good is it gonna put in your body? It's gonna pack you with 72 minerals, 19 amino acids, 22 fruits and vegetables, 13 whole greens, which is code for you can literally drink 1 tablespoonful a day, and it's gonna be equivalent to eating 10 salads a day. So I'm super excited that you're looking at the Get Fit Kit, thrilled that you're looking to lose the 1 to 2 pounds a day. Get back to the person who showed you this video so you can get your kit ordered and you can start your TLC experience today.
All right, I'm excited for your TLC experience with the Get Fit Kit. Guys, what you're gonna notice with this kit is that you have a lot more energy. I mean, that's what the NRG aids in anyways. So when we talk about the lifestyle for the next 30 days, what I recommend is that you do just a little bit more. I don't know if you're in front of the mirror, do a couple stand-up crunchies or steam shifts, or if you have stairs in your house, go down the stairs, walk up the stairs a couple times just to get that energy burning, because what you're gonna notice is that you're not tired throughout this 30 days, guys, with these natural products. Do you need to change your eating habits? I recommend that you eat a whole food diet, guys, but more than anything, just get moving, get that energy. You have extra energy with this kit, and it's going to allow you to do just a little more. So to answer your question for the lifestyle on this kit, eat a whole food diet and do just a little bit more. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, Keely Taylor here, and welcome to your TLC experience. I'm super excited for your weight loss journey with our Get Fit Kit. Now you probably have your kit on the way, or maybe you have it in your hands right now and you're wondering, how do I take these products? Well guys, first, you definitely want to make sure to chill your Nutraburst, okay? That's the vitamin. You're gonna wanna take 1 tablespoon every single morning. You're also going to want to pour an 8-ounce glass of our Iaso Tea. Now, with our Iaso Tea, you're going to also want to take our NRG. It is going to be more effective along with the Iaso Tea. Now guys, there's several ways you can do the NRG. If you really want to amp up your energy and you want to really burn even more calories, you can take up to 2. Recommended dosage is anywhere from 1 to 2. 1 will help you burn 300 calories. 2 is going to help you amp up to burning 600 calories. and it's also going to give you even more energy, guys. You are going to have amazing results with this Get Fit Kit, where you are going to be able to lose up to 1 to 2 pounds every single day, guys. Listen, I'm super excited to see your journey here with the Get Fit Kit.